Welcome. Let's look at the latest data fabric features helping to centralize record security and increase performance in several areas. Data fabric eliminates time-sensitive and costly data migrations, connecting data directly from wherever it lives, giving you the ability to spin up applications and make data-driven decisions faster. This release, take a look at our updated approach to centralized and simplified record-level security. Specify who can see each record type and optionally restrict the set of records they can view by specifying conditions. Your security configurations are displayed in plain language, so it's easy to understand and maintain them. You can now configure security for record views and actions in the same way. Click Views and Actions Security. Existing record views are displayed along with the current security rules for viewing each of them. To change the security, click the pencil icon. Answer the questions. Who can see the view? When can they see it? Always or under certain conditions? This helps fine-tune access so that only the right users see the right views at the right time. You can now generate multiple record actions at the same time, which means faster setup of process models and their supporting objects. Deselect any actions you don't want to create. For Create and Update, Appian generates a shared interface and process model for easier maintenance. When configuring record types, a new time saver is the ability to drag and drop rows to organize record fields, user filters, record actions, and more. As you refine your data model in Appian, we'll do more automated updating of your data sources to ensure parity and alignment. When you edit or delete a record type field, the same changes are made automatically in the data source. When you add a relationship to a record type, the common field is automatically configured as a foreign key in the database. Adding user type fields to your data structure will automatically generate a relationship to the user record type, so you're all set to reference user data. Add custom record fields to your synced record types to refine your data model so it's aligned with your application needs. Concatenate text from record fields and related record fields into a single value using the new abang custom field concat function. Assume we need to report on the number of orders by sales region and shipping method. To do that, we'll concatenate two related record fields, sales region name and shipping method name. Click Test to preview the results. All looks good, so we can go on to name and save the new custom record field. You can use the new custom field, named Regional Shipping Method, in your reports. Here we can see bar labels change from the PO number to the new concatenated field of sales region and shipping method. Create complex logical expressions now that the abang custom field logical expression function has expanded capabilities in evaluating multiple conditions. In this example, the expression evaluates whether a shipment is on time or late using the number of days until the order is due, as well as its current status, such as delivered or in transit. We've also expanded the list of operators that can be used with the abang custom field condition function, so you can create conditions that compare text, numbers, or dates. This example uses starts with to populate a new custom record field. You have more filter options when working with aggregated custom record fields. Create and use a constant as a filter value. Here, we've set up a threshold value as a constant and can reference it as a field filter value. The AND/ALL operator can now be used to filter multiple related record fields from the same one-to-many relationship. The filter returns all records from the base record type, the one side of the relationship, that have at least one related record that meets all filtering conditions. In this scenario, the customer record type has a one-to-many relationship with the order record type. We want to count the number of orders that include items that are both below a certain price threshold and are a red color. We're using the AND/ALL operator to return records that have at least one related record that meets each filter condition. In this release, you'll notice faster performance in several areas. First, querying a record is now up to 35% faster. You'll also notice significant performance improvements when casting to a record data type list. For large lists of data, performance is up to 110 times faster. Whether you're converting business data in a process model or working with user inputs, your records will be available quickly. When working with information-dense interfaces and record types, you'll benefit from faster load times, 30% faster, in fact, when displaying record views, lists, and record-powered grids.